Let's see how we can use Microsoft Copilot in this video.
So Copilot is only available with the Microsoft Edge browser. So we have to open Microsoft Edge browser, and you can see on the search bar you can see open Copilot option. So we have to click on that open Copilot option, and after that this particular web page will appear in front of us. And after loading, you can see three options here: more creative, more balanced, and more precise. So you can ask something over here. Let's say I'm asking, what is your name? So if I ask this, so he will be responding. So he's telling, I'm Microsoft Copilot, an AI companion. How can I assist you today? So if I ask him that is GPT-4 associated with you? So I'm asking him that is GPT-4 associated with you? Let's see what response he gives. Yes, GPT-4 is associated with Microsoft Copilot. It is a language model developed by OpenAI and is used to power Copilot's natural language processing capabilities. Copilot was initially released with GPT-3, but it has since been upgraded to GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo, which offers more advanced functionality and improved performances. So you can see that this thing is clearly mentioning that it is associated with GPT-4, which is pretty good. So you can also generate codes from this particular AI. Okay, so this is how you can use this particular AI, which is the new Microsoft Bing Copilot. So this is only available with Microsoft's Edge browser, and with Windows 10 and also with Windows 11 you can find this. So how to install this particular thing, I will show you in this video. So you have to type download Copilot for Windows 10. So after typing, to press enter, and after that you will be redirected to this particular web page, how to get Copilot in Windows 10. And you can see that Copilot Pro. So you have to click on this Copilot Pro, and after that it will redirect us to another new web page. So you can see over here instant software downloads and also questions. So here you are getting two options mainly for Get Copilot Pro, that is the professional version, that is 2000 rupees per month for one user, and you can also use the free version of Copilot. So I'm clicking on this free version of Copilot, and you can see that in this free version, can we generate images? Let's see if we can generate images. Generate any image for me. So let's see what this thing responds. Any image, I will try to create that. Now, okay, so it's telling me that please sign in to create images, image creator to join. By continuing your interaction with Microsoft Copilot, you are accepting the terms of use and confirm you have reviewed the privacy statement. Okay, so you can click continue, and you have to sign in to this particular website. Okay, so this is how you can use Copilot with Microsoft Bing and also Microsoft Edge browser. Thanks for watching.